Are you looking to take your home entertainment setup to the next level? Look no further than the AudioQuest Cinnamon 5M HDMI cable. This 16.4 feet cable isn't just another accessory. It's the ultimate solution for connecting your HDMI-enabled devices with top-notch quality and reliability. What sets the AudioQuest Cinnamon apart? First and foremost, it's designed for uncompromised performance. With a solid 1.25% silver-plated copper design and critical stable geometry, this cable ensures not only stunning picture quality, but also pristine sound transmission. Whether you're streaming your favorite 4K content, gaming at 120 Hz, or experiencing immersive 3D audio, the AudioQuest Cinnamon delivers without a hitch. Installation flexibility is another key feature. Rated for in-wall use, it offers versatile placement options to suit your room's layout, ensuring a neat and seamless integration into your home theater setup. Compatibility is a breeze. This HDMI cable works seamlessly with most HDMI-enabled devices, including televisions, ensuring high-speed connectivity that supports up to 1080p resolution at 120 Hz, 4K resolution, and the audio return channel for immersive sound that if you're serious about achieving the best possible audio-visual experience at home. The AudioQuest Cinnamon HDMI cable is your go-to choice. It combines premium materials, intelligent design, and compatibility into one package, making it an essential component for any home theater enthusiast. Invest in the AudioQuest Cinnamon today and elevate your entertainment setup to new heights.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.